picking. Yay!
Whoa, look at this one. So she says that you want it to be mostly red because this part here isn't ripe yet, but maybe it will ripen up. I'm tempted to try it. Should I try it? She's looking at me. Not trying it. They need to wash first. Right here.
Can I get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
I've got lovely strawberry duty. Over the shoulder, which is the best way to carry them. And then I'm carrying the peppers. I think these are jalapeno peppers. I was gonna try one, but she was like, you don't have water. You should wait. We got water in the car. So we're gonna go check out and also see what other produce they got. They got everything.
Yeah,
cabbages, onions, strawberries, tomatoes. It's pretty fun. Okay, so we're at the Se7en Wetlands. We're gonna see if we can count all 7.
We'll see about that.
So we're going to begin our count with the first wetland being I don't even know.
I was scared where this was going because we're standing next to the restrooms. So.
Yeah, when I was in there, there was a bird. It was a crane, and somebody had printed it out, and there was a picture on the paper towel, and he said, "Be careful of what to flush."
Moving on.
Moving on. So apparently, the bathrooms are the first wetlands. Hey, we did have 4 Rivers. It was our first time having 4 Rivers BBQ. What's your score out of 10?
Oh, I don't know, like a
5.5 for me.
Yeah, like a 5.
5.
We didn't really like it.
Wasn't that good. The sauce was kind of oily, not really a lot of flavorful. The meat was kind of chewy. Buns weren't that good.
Did not get
sauce.
The cheese grits because the packaging of them was not the smartest idea as the outside gets like not good.
The okra was very salty.
Okra was salty. The okra itself tasted good, but the batter was too salty, the cornmeal. But
oh, what did we have? He might ask. Oh, we both had the same exact sandwich. We had the brisket sandwich.
Which the brisket itself was not bad. It was actually like tender, but because it wasn't chopped, it was like really hard to eat it on a sandwich because it was so thick and not cut up well enough. So
we finished eating, and we knew that we had to go find some wetlands.
On to some hiking.
Okay, hiking it is.
Strawberry stains.
Strawberry stains forever.
Forever.
It's
Hopefully
all right.
Not.
We got lots of strawberry stains.
Yeah.
Oh, and actually, that's not a. Oh yeah, that's a little bit of a sweet.
A little bit, yeah.
It's all right. It smells like strawberries inside
Extra
your car
cute.
now too.
Yeah, it does. It smells good.
All right, let's go. You're in trouble. I saw you go first.
Your idea.
Cool, we were watching the alligators. One was up on the shore, and then another one was coming up onto shore, and I think he got in his space, and then they started like, they had like a little
wrestle.
Yeah, they had a big wrestle. All I got was like the splashing. And
Oh,
now,
here comes the other one.
Oh dang, there he is. Hold on, guys. Well, look out.
Yeah. Look, you see his mouth.
Can you see him through the binoculars, Brizzy? You can see him really well?
Yeah. Here, I'll look through the binoculars. I mean, he's right here, so I can see him while just standing there.
Yeah.
We're making him stressed. Let's give him some space. Just like you would think you're cool. You're a cool guy. Or girl. Yeah, look, the other one's coming. It's following.
Yeah, that's super cool.
That's pretty.
That was fun. Well, lovely.
Thumbs up.
How much of the wetlands did we end up doing?
Maybe like 3/4, half or 3/4. We didn't do all of it for sure, but we did a good bit.
Washing the berries.
Well, at least one, so we can give it a shot. See how it is.
We want to see how good they are. Ready?
Yeah. Cheers. Oh wow, you got it going.
Yep.
Cheers. Yeah, it's good. Oh, berry juice on the rim.
Strawberry juice.
I think it was actually water, but
Yeah, it's water. Wow, it's so juicy.
they're good.
Mmm. Sweet. Mmm. Neither one of us
Wow, those are good.
has ever picked our own strawberries.
First time.
Mmm.
I think it's something we definitely will do again because we had a lot of fun doing it, and definitely we said we want to go back and check out the other produce and other things that they have to pick there, and like do some more research on what's in season when, etc. But
It's cool. Little
really
farm in Plant City.
yeah, called Three Sons,
3 Sons, yeah.
I think.
I think that sounds about right.
Yeah.
We had a theme today. 3 Sons and then 7 7 Waterlands or
Oh, 7 Wetlands.
7 Wetlands.
4 rivers.
4 rivers.
Everything had a number. And it went 3, 4, 7. It actually wasn't ready. He really wasn't ready.
No, but
went in order and everything.
So much.
Milo, no. Oh boy. And now it's chaos. Now Milo's getting in trouble. Everything's normal.
I can't believe it was. Jesus Christ.
Okay. Well.
Okay. All right. Anyways, they were good. They were good.
Thumbs
They
up.
were good. Thumbs up.